Early bird gets the worm, but the night owl gets the bird. The night owl gets the bird. Woo. Bike blogger here. Waking up in the morning. Blue hour. Twilight hour. Topic of the day. Topic of the day. Woo. So blue hour is before the sun rises. The sun's actually about to rise in about 15-20 minutes. It's approximately 5:20 in the AM. So, are you an early bird or a night owl? Let's do a little poll. Do a poll. Do a bike poll. Woo. This way. Home. Aw, man, the light just went green. Thought I was avoiding the light. Oh, that's okay. Traffic's really low in the morning, but summertime is the best time in the morning time. I know, I said that wrong. I'm kind of tired. Oh my. Morning time is the best time in the summertime. Because it's not so hot. Temperature's about 75 Fahrenheit right now. Very high humidity. The dew point's probably at about 75, although it's not raining. A little misty, kind of a little foggy. But yeah, it's getting up like to 100 Fahrenheit today. Later today, obviously not right now. Woo! But yeah, morning time is the best time in the summertime. Woo. Yeah, I will admit, I think I might be a night owl, but I'm awake today. I'm awake today. Yeah, I guess, what with it being morning time, make sure my lights are on. Even though the sun is about to come up in actually less than an hour, probably in about, probably about 30 minutes, 20 minutes here. I'm heading slightly east, so we might even see the sunrise in this video, we'll see. Woo. I gotta check here, yeah, it is actually kind of a little foggy. You can definitely see the steam from all the heat yesterday coming up off of the grass over there to the left. I wish I was a morning person though, because the summertime, this is the best time. It doesn't, unless there's a cold front, it never gets any colder than early morning time. Whew. It's also kind of nice because there's nobody around right now, for the most part. Oh, up the hill, up the hill. So what is blue hour? Well, that's it's not a technical term. It's essentially just before twilight. It's like just kind of, I won't say pitch black, like completely dark, but it's almost dark. It's approximately 40 minutes before the sun rises. That's kind of the rough estimate. So in the morning, you have something called astronomical twilight, and that is approximately 2 hours before sunrise. And then you have something that's called nautical twilight. That's something like the military uses for nighttime special operations, special forces, operation stuff. You know, under the cover of darkness sort of stuff. It's nautical twilight, which is approximately, I don't know, about an hour, hour and a half before sunrise. So just enough time to get your, let's go this way. We gotta go this way. Just enough time to get your operation on. And then after nautical twilight comes blue hour, which, like I said, is approximately 40 minutes before sunrise. We're gonna drop down here, nice and easy. Try to keep the weight over the wheel that's not about to hit the ground, just in case I were to get a snake bite puncture, which is a problem you'd have if you don't have your tires pumped up. And if you're running really skinny tires like me, 25 millimeter, you need to pump them up every time you get on the bike. Pretty much. Woo, there goes a birdie. Early bird gets the worm, but the night owl gets the bird. The night owl gets the bird. Woo. There's another cyclist. Gave him a little wave. And a little family of geese there. I just passed them off. So yeah, it's about 5:30. Technically, the park doesn't open until 6 a.m., but you can obviously see there's people out running and riding their bikes. So basically, when you hit first light, people will start coming out of the woodwork. And first light, in my opinion, is blue hour, about 40 minutes before sunrise. Oh yeah, and then after blue hour, you got civil twilight hour, which is approximately 30 minutes before sunrise. And then that lasts for like 30 minutes, and then you have sunrise. Little squirrels. They're squirrels. Woo-wee. Bike. On a bike. The thing I love about early in the morning or late at night is you don't have all the cars parked on the road. It's just wide open. It's much nicer. You just got to decide if you're going to come out early in the morning or late at night. And I tend to come out late at night because I'm a night owl. How do you prevent being a night owl? Or how do you work on that? Well, let me know in the comment section below, because I haven't quite figured it out yet. How am I up this early in the morning? Because I didn't go to sleep, no. My sleep schedule's all out of whack. Help me, bike blogger, help me. Well, one of the #1 things that is the problem is artificial light. Light pollution, blue light, playing on your phone or your computer late at night. You can wear glasses for that, like glasses with orange or red lens, or really any glasses that filters blue light pretty good, which is going to be basically, I guess, the opposite of blue, whatever color that is. I guess red, the other primary color. Yellow's pretty good too. You mix yellow and red, you get orange. So I guess you do in light. I know you do with paint, pretty sure. Motorcyclist. this is such a big park, people use it to commute to work, cutting through the park. Ugh. Ah, it's not so bumpy on the edge of the bridge there. It's always been a bumpy bridge. Need to repave it or whatever. Another thing is genetics. I believe they have identified, the scientists have identified a gene that predisposes you to being a night owl. Vertically. But like I said, it only worsens if, you know, you're exposing yourself to a smartphone or a desktop computer late at night. It just makes it worse. Makes it harder for you to fall asleep, harder for your brain to shut off. And then of course you have all the other regular stuff you should be doing, which is, you know, exercising in the day. Preferably don't exercise vigorously right before bed. Don't eat a big meal right before bed. Although I don't know, I mean, it depends on what your food you're eating is. Because I've found when I eat some heavier foods, I get sleepy. And it almost like knocks me out. Sugar crash, I guess, or whatever. Bike. Woo! So, let's see, what time is it now? It's 5:45. I believe sun rises really soon here. Of course, it depends on geography, or I guess more specifically topography. It's kind of hard to see the horizon from here with all the tall buildings. I might be able to give you guys a shot of the sunrise here in a moment. Just give me a moment. I'm actually heading south right now, so I need to actually go that way to the west, or the east to the left. But before I do that, I'm gonna probably actually head west, away from the sun. That's the way I need to go to get to work today. Woo-wee. Okay, so I've been sticking to the roads, but I've also been avoiding the trails, and there's not really anyone out right now, so maybe I'll get on the bike trail. Have it to myself, hopefully. We shall see. It is a Thursday. Thursday. Alright, up the hill. So, let's see, what else is there to say? Yeah, so I never really paid that much attention to it, the definitions of like solar noon, which is high noon basically, when the sun is as high as it's going to get in the sky. And where I live, I don't live near the equator. The winters are a lot shorter with daylight hours. You don't get as many daylight hours. I'd say around where I live, in St. Louis, Missouri, USA, I get, I think, a maximum of 15 hours of daylight in the summer and maybe 12 hours in the winter. So, significantly less light in the winter. Woo! People going to work! People going to work in the morning, Woo! Yeah, so thought that was kind of funny. The early bird gets the worm, but the night owl Man, the night owl gets a lot of stuff. Here comes somebody. Okay, let's duck down. Let's close our eyes and hold our breath. Are they gone? Woo! Yeah, they're gone. Okay. Social distancing. Yeah. Social distancing. The night owl. Man, the night owl gets rodents, other birds. Heck, the night owl gets whatever can fit in its mouth. Going past the greenhouses on the right. I can see the moon. It's pretty high in the sky right now. I still cannot see the sun behind me. I am going away from the sun though. Well, going in the different direction of the horizon. Oh boy. Don't forget to drink your water. Water's good for you. Water's good for you. Woo-wee. Downhill. Down, down, down. Oh. Oh. I probably don't really need my bike lights anymore. But like I said in that previous video, bike lights are a good idea. Even when the sun comes out, because when the sun is low, that's when you really want to be seen, not hit. Because it can be dangerous when the sun is low. So yeah, right as the sun starts coming up, it's kind of like the desert. Right when the sun goes down in the desert, it gets colder a lot faster. Oh boy, here comes somebody else. Close our eyes. Woo. Hold our mouth shut. Keep away the coronas. No coronas for me, thank you very much. And then when the sun comes up in the morning, it gets hot fast. It gets hot fast. Okay. So I'm gonna kind of go back the way I came up here. Okay. Yeah, so how about that? Who's got a ticket for Disney World? It's opening on Saturday. Actually, this video is probably gonna get posted the week next. Disney World's open. Go get your Corona on. Up the hill. Up the hill. Whew. Yeah, you can see they're starting to come in now. Getting more cars in the park. Isn't it peaceful? It's just so peaceful. Without the people. And without the heat. Yikes. Ugh. Da 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 da. Da da. Da da. At the top of the hill. Da da. That guy looked like he was serious. He had the full kit on. Good for him. I must say, I haven't really seen any bike commuters out here. At least what you would think of as a traditional bike commuter. Seeing primarily people with kits on, which is the cycling jersey get up, which is good to wear, you know. It's aerodynamic and it wicks sweat real good. I used to wear them myself, but I don't know. Kind of taking on the what you call it, the regular commuter Fred sort of way about it. Woo-wee. Okay, let's go up over here. Not gonna queue up behind the other cyclist. And there's a pedestrian. Fantastic. Okay. We're going through the trees now. Trying to avoid people. Oh, that sign is cockeyed. What's going on with that sign? Oh, I was a little scared of that curb there. I thought I was gonna drop. Whew. Oh, that truck stinks. Ah. All right, on our way to work. Now that it's getting ridiculously hot outside, feel the heat. Feel the heat of the night. Oh. Breathe the pollution. Oh. There we go. Now we got a nice gap. That guy's bumper didn't look so good. Well, we passed on the right back there. Hey, there's another cyclist straight ahead. Keep our distance off to the edge. Oh. Actually, we're in a turn here. Into the hospital. Oh. Get a little bit of the water fountain. Can still see that cyclist over there. We're keeping up. See if he's gonna make a left. You probably can't see him on the camera. Nah, doesn't look like it. Yeah, he's going straight, continuing down Clayton Road there. Alright, nice and easy. Alright, we're on Bellevue. Just gotta take this all the way to work now. On the way to work now. Whew. So yeah, are you an early bird or a night owl? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have a flexible work schedule, obviously I'd recommend starting the day at probably 7 a.m. in the summer and starting it at 9 a.m. in the winter time, just so you give some time for the warmth to warm up, basically, in the summer, or the winter, I mean. The winter is cold. You wouldn't want to be out during blue hour in the morning in the winter, because that's got to be probably the coldest time of the day, unless again you have another winter storm coming or something, and a big cold front on the way or something. Woo-wee. Da 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 there. Da 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 there. On our way to work in the morning. Yeah. I'm sorry, I think I ride my bike too fast. I thought we were gonna see the sunrise, but I'm looking all around me and I do not see the sun poking up from the horizon yet. See, what time is it? Just about 6 o'clock. Woo! Stupid stop sign. Stupid stop sign. This one's not so stupid. There's a blind spot here. So I think what I'm gonna do is once I get down to work here, I'm gonna like kind of go around, make kind of a loop, and then head east down Manchester Road, and then I might be able to see the sun. I don't know, we'll see. If we don't, we don't. I get to work early and get out of work early. Enjoy the summer. Summertime. Woo. Downhill. Ooh, I smell something. It smells like someone's cooking bacon outside. Frying bacon or something. Or someone burnt breakfast. I don't know what it is. It smells like something's burning. And I'm not burning rubber. I'm just rolling it. Just rolling it. Shoo. See another cyclist way up there. Oh. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, he went straight to the red light, I think. Naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty. Alright, we're just gonna get on the road here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up this way to work, and I'm gonna turn around and go back the other way and see if we can see the sun. We shall see. We shall see. Whew. Up a slight incline here. Around the potholes. Around them, yeah, so it's 6:03 a.m. You see the bank sign there. Okay, we're gonna turn around in this parking lot here. Oh, let's see. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. I'm gonna go out this way now. Doesn't say no left turn. Let's take it. Alright, there's the sun. Yeah, there's the sun. We found it. It was hiding behind the trees. Yeah, it's way in the sky now. Well, thanks for coming along with me on this bike ride to work today. We'll see you next time. See you next time. Woo. Oh, no, another pedestrian. What the heck is this with pedestrians? There we go. Avoiding people in 2020.